The crisis Cuba is currently facing continues to deepen as the population deals with a devastating combination of problems: food shortages, the constant deterioration of the electrical system, and now a health situation that has placed the country on high alert. In the midst of such a fragile scenario, statements made by President Miguel Díaz Canel have generated widespread indignation, especially as he insists on attributing the productive collapse and the deterioration of public services to the U.S. embargo, avoiding any acknowledgement of the internal system's own failures. For many citizens, this stance feels like an insult in the face of such basic and unmet needs. The energy difficulties have reached unsustainable levels, with prolonged blackouts affecting homes, hospitals, and production centers. Added to this is the inability to ensure a stable food supply, a situation that causes long lines and growing social frustration. The most recent point of alarm is the health sector, where the lack of supplies and precarious conditions put public health at risk. All of this has contributed to a widespread atmosphere of distrust in which official discourse is losing more and more credibility among citizens. On another front, statements made by Rodolfo Valentin have raised concerns within the judicial system. His claim that around 5,000 cases disappear each year in the courts due to lack of evidence has sounded the alarm regarding the system's functioning and transparency. In response to such an accusation, calls have been made for the Office of the Attorney General to provide clear and verifiable information, as well as to initiate an investigation to determine how accurate this allegation is and, if true, what responsibilities must be assigned. Amidst this context of social and political tension, the death of Vicente Sanchez Barret has also been reported. A historic figure in Dominican politics, he was an emblematic leader who belonged to the PRD and later became one of the founders of the PRM. He held multiple public positions, including Minister of Interior and Police, Senator, and Director of Customs. His passing at the age of 89 marks the departure of a prominent figure whose career left a significant imprint on the country's institutional life. Together, these events reflect a complex regional climate in which governance, justice, and institutional credibility are under constant scrutiny.